In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly the English for Construction online course will improve your English. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Anh, co-founder of the English for Construction program, and welcome to our brand new English for Construction online course. Okay, let's jump into it. Clean and clear learning schedule. That's right, I've created this for you. You have a detailed learning schedule day by day. You have audio files, you have PDF files, okay? And you have my support till the end of the course. Is that amazing? I think so. Okay, let's move on. 746 questions, 800 answers, and 15,136 words in total. All about English for construction. Wow, what do you think about that number? It's huge, right? But amazingly, you are all gonna get it in 3 months. 3 months. You don't have to go anywhere to learn, just staying at your site, your home, your apartment, your gym, or wherever you are. You don't either have to study grammar rules. Believe me, you will save a lot of time and money by using this program. All you have to do is follow my instructions. Done. After 3 months of following my instructions and nothing happens, I'll give you back your money. Oh, you have nothing to worry about it, and now is the perfect time to take action. Alright, now I'd like to give you a great bonus below. Just click on the button and complete the registration form, and I'll see you on the other side.